Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can cancel your Apple Music subscription, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to cancel your Apple Music subscription, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Apple Music app. And once you've opened the app, next, I want you to tap your profile at the top right corner of your screen. And after that, you will now see this Manage Subscription option right here. Just go and tap it. And then there it is guys. You will now see the Cancel Subscription button right here. Just tap it. And then for the final step, you just need to tap the Cancel Subscription button once again and then your subscription will automatically be cancelled. But in my case, I don't want to cancel my subscription yet so I won't tap it myself. But for you, if you are determined to cancel your subscription, feel free to tap it and then your subscription will be cancelled immediately. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.